Javid Javdani is a distinguished doctor of pharmacy and a successful entrepreneur based in San Diego, California. Javid's early life was marked by resilience and a love for community engagement. Growing up in Iran, Javid was encouraged to explore his interests and pursue education. After moving to the United States, he worked various jobs to support himself, including at a car wash, gas station, and restaurants. After completing high school, Javid pursued higher education in chemistry. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree from California State Polytechnic University, Pomona, and continued his studies at the University of the Pacific, where he obtained a Doctor of Pharmacy degree in 1994. His academic journey provided him with the knowledge and resilience needed to excel in his future endeavors, laying the groundwork for a successful career. Javid began his professional career in San Diego, working as a pharmacist. His dedication and expertise quickly earned him a reputation for excellence. He soon took on the role of Director of Pharmacy at Kindred Healthcare, where he was responsible for overseeing pharmacy operations and ensuring high-quality patient care. Despite his success in the healthcare sector, Javid's entrepreneurial spirit remained strong. He saw an opportunity to expand his impact beyond the confines of the pharmacy by acquiring a small grocery store in San Diego's Claremont neighborhood. Javid recognized the potential to transform the store into a thriving international market, and through hard work and strategic planning, he succeeded in turning the store into a cultural hub that offers products from various countries. Javid's approach to business is grounded in his core values of passion, creativity, respect, accountability, and engagement. He believes in treating others the way he would want to be treated, a philosophy that has guided him in building positive relationships and fostering a collaborative work environment. Javid is a staunch advocate for continuous learning and professional growth, regularly attending conferences and embracing risks to push his boundaries. Javid Javdani's journey highlights his dedication, creativity, and ability to excel in multiple fields. As both a pharmacist and entrepreneur, his contributions reflect a strong commitment to excellence and professional growth. Javid's work is characterized by resilience, innovation, and a consistent drive to achieve his goals. His journey serves as an inspiring example of how one person can bridge industries and bring communities together through dedication and vision.